Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Seema Saini. I hope you all are good. So student, today we are going to discuss adverbs of manner. Okay. So adverbs of manner tell us how something happened. They are usually placed either after the main verb or after the object. ठीक है. और ये जो adverb of manner है, ठीक है, ये यूजुअली कहाँ पे प्लेस होती है? या तो मेन वर्ब के बाद या फिर ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद. ओके, या तो मेन वर्ब के बाद यूज होगी या फिर ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद यूज होगी. ओके, सो लेट्स टेक सम एग्जांपल. डेंजरसली, सॉफ्टली, okay, quickly, gently, neatly, calm, etc. Okay, these are adverbs of manner. Okay, जिसके end में ly का use होता है. Okay, so let's take some example. The barber trimmed his hair and beard gently. Okay, so barber is, what is barber here? Noun. Okay, and trimmed is verb here. Okay, so gently adverb. Okay, he handled the situation so clearly without any fight. Okay, so clearly. Okay, so clearly, what is clearly? Adverb. Okay, there is a fragile material, handle it carefully. Okay, so carefully, what is carefully? ये कहाँ पे यहाँ पे हम यूज कर रहे हैं ऑब्जेक्ट के प्लेस पे. Okay, this is carefully, this is adverb of manner. Okay, adverbs modify verbs by answering one of these questions. There may be question, when question, where question, why question, and how question. Okay, how. Okay, how question. I quickly moved. How did you move? I quickly moved. Okay, so यहाँ पे कौन सा क्वेश्चन आ रहा है? हाउ क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो वर्ब इज मूव्ड हियर, एडवर्ब क्विकली. So that's all for this session. I hope you all have understood well. Okay, see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care.